Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and the quickest way for me lately to elevate any outfit has been through this LEACOOLKEY skinny belt set. These belts are just super classy and they go with absolutely every outfit. I love the way that they define my waist because some outfits kind of are missing that aspect, and I really like these belts to help me to have more of a cinched waist. I think it's great that they come in a set of two, and I love the black and brown colors. I think that this really maximizes the value of these belts. They are really chic looking, and I like the gold hardware on them. I think that really makes them pop. I wear them with casual and more dressy outfits. I think that they complete these outfits in such a perfect way. I'm really impressed with how well made they are. I think that they have this great thickness to them. I can twist them and manipulate them whatever way I have to, and I know that they're not going to break or crack. I chose the inch size range that included my waist size, and I find that they fit me perfectly. I find that almost no matter what I'm wearing, I look better when I include one of these LEACOOLKEY belts. But that's just my point of view.